Okay, now we start to see some stability in the market. What about those REITs that have actually talk about cutting rates or deferring rates?
Yeah, so on our numbers, we are looking at about 13% cut in terms of DPU this year. It's actually quite wide-ranging. Some of the REITs are good quality ones. They are unaffected by COVID-19. We are seeing actually flattish DPU growth, so we're not assuming any downgrades. But at the other end of the spectrum, we've seen hospitality names, because of the nature of the crisis, we are cutting DPU by more than 40%. So we are seeing a range in terms of cuts. I think what's also interesting is that during the previous round of results announcements, actually a lot of REITs, especially the retail REITs, have decided to reduce their dividend payout in the near term. Two reasons is because firstly, because of the COVID-19, because of the circuit breaker that we had in Singapore, most of the malls are closed. So the result of that, there will be no cash flow in the near term. And given that there wasn't much certainty in terms of when the malls will reopen, so some of these retail REITs have decided to reduce their payout ratio for the time being so that they can conserve some cash in case of any deterioration in the credit conditions. And secondly, because of what we have experienced during the global financial crisis, where there was a credit crunch, again, the same REITs decided to retain some cash just for working capital users. And if things were to turn out not as bad as it turned out as forecasted, then they will actually be releasing this retained cash back to the investors over a couple of months. As you can see, we have just got out of CB. Most of the malls are operating at 90% occupancy. They should start paying rent, if not this month, then next month. Cash flow will start streaming in for the retail REITs. So unless we see a very drastic second wave in terms of infection here in Singapore, I expect many of these retail REITs to release those retained DPU back to the investors by the end of the year.